Hello friends, I am Professor S.M. Palgadmal, Department of Horticulture. Today's topic is Research Organization in Horticulture. First is Indian Institute of Horticultural Research, IIHR, Bangalore. Indian Institute of Vegetable Research, IIVR, located at Varanasi. Indian Institute of Spice Research, IISR, located at Calicut in Kerala. Central Institute of Subtropical Horticulture, CISH, located at Lucknow. Central Institute of Temperate Horticulture, CITH, located at Srinagar. Central Potato Research Institute, CPRI, located at Kufri in Shimla. Next is Central Tuber Crop Research Institute, CTCRI, in Thiruvananthapuram, Kerala. Central Plantation Crop Research Institute, CPCRI, located at Kasaragod, Kerala. Central Institute of Arid Horticulture, CIAH, located at Bikaner in Rajasthan. Central Institute of Post Harvest Engineering and Technology, CIPHET, at Firozpur, Punjab. Next, ICR Research Complex for Goa, located at Ela in Old Goa. ICAR Research Complex for Northeastern Hill Region, located at Barapani, Meghalaya. National Research Center for Banana, located at Trichirappalli, Tamil Nadu. National Research Center for Citrus, located at Nagpur in Maharashtra. National Research Center for Onion and Garlic, located in Pune at Maharashtra. National Research Center for Grape, located at Pune in Maharashtra. National Research Center for Medicinal and Aromatic Plants, located at Anand in state Gujarat. National Research Center for Mushroom, located at Solan. National Research Center for Orchid, located at Gangatok in Sikkim. National Research Center for Cashew Nut, located at Puttur, Karnataka. National Research Center for Seed Spices, located at Ajmer in Rajasthan. National Research Center for Oil Palm, located at Iluru in Andhra Pradesh. National Research Center for Pomegranate, located at Solapur in Maharashtra. National Research Center for Makhna, located at Patna in Bihar state. National Research Center for Lychee, located at Muzaffarpur in Bihar. National Horticulture Board, NHB, is located in Gurgaon at state Haryana. Thank you.